Okay YouTubers, so here's the engine Aussie 50 gave me. I mounted on this base here, which is a low arch Victa base. It's a store brand mower, so it's an MSAA mower, which is a Mower Specialist Association of Australia, something like that. So anyway, they were branded or a line of mower stores, so we'll just prime it up. There you go, we're primed, and then we'll wind her up. We've got brothers there. Hi Matt. Oh well, that isn't too bad. It's pretty heavy base, this one, even though it's aluminium. It's still pretty hard to push with one hand. It's got a bit of a rusty exhaust there. I don't know whether you can see it. I won't push a hole through it, but there you go. But I've got another torpedo exhaust on this mower here. I'll take off and put on. So let's see how it restarts. Oh well, that runs very well. It sounds pretty lumpy with that big exhaust, big hole in the exhaust, but anyway. I'll just turn the petrol off on the well-attached fuel tank that's totally, you know, OH&S conscious, all that sort of rubbish. And yeah, the blades are blunt as hell, but anyway. I cut that bolt off and got that all done up properly. So I'm very happy. Thanks a lot Aussie 50 for this one. It'll be well received, and I'll paint up the cowling and everything. I might paint it. This mower originally had a white cowling on it, so I might paint it white. I don't know. I'll decide then. But let's put a breath of life back into this one. Actually, if I paint it white, then I can do the handlebars while I'm at it, so I might do that. We'll see. I'll try and preserve the label or get another one, something like that. And I'll have to look for a fuel tank. I'm sure I've probably got one around here somewhere. So let's go, one more start for you people who may like wind-up starters. So there we go, she's wound up, and we'll pull this lever out and away we'll go. Alright, and it'll be running out of petrol now because I turned the petrol off. But anyway, alright then, next one is I'll put a cowling full start on this one, I suppose, and get this one running. I did all the internals and everything, so although it's got a hell of a lot of play in the crank. Anyway, that'll be a job for maybe tonight, tomorrow, weekend, something like that. But otherwise I've got the electrolysis tank, which I'll make another video on now. So thanks a lot, see you later.